we have been giving you from the past in many weeks. So 6th July, I have given one option strategy to all of you, and one of the user has asked me to explain about the strategy yesterday. So it is being given to you on the 6th of July by email. So here August months, two different strikes I am telling to sell, and July two different strikes I am going to buy. It is a net credit strategy. So 153 plus 38 I am getting as a credit. So it is 192 points I am getting a credit, and 108 point I am giving. So 80 to 90 point credit itself I am forming. I am just telling that if this is the strategy, profit below 9500 and 9850, this is the profit. Consolidation also you will get some profit. Maximum loss I have given you in case of a volatility fall less than 5% or greater than 15%. On the day the strategy is being given, volatility was 9%. So based on the yesterday's closing, so this is the thing I have told you, 10,000 call option to sell, 9,700 call option to sell for August, and sometime I have told you to buy the 9750 call option July. So if I take the yesterday's closing basis, it is 2,850 was the profit. So this kind of strategy also you can form in the market. Net credit strategy, however, it is good for the traders. Fine. So I'll start the calculation of two indices for the intraday. Intraday, I'm taking one standard deviation tool. I'm just loading the Nifty data, and I'm just going for the calculations. So this is what the Nifty data says, that 9881 above the uptrend, 82 above, 9865 below the downtrend, and currently if I can say that it is in the 9885 level. You can think of buying because 0.2362 till 0.5 level you can buy. If you wish to see all the levels, all the Fibonacci levels, then you can just go for the web interface so that you can get all the levels. So here in the web interface we have seen this one. So this is the level, it is coming 0.236 to 0.382. So this level is good to buy. If you are buying here, try to hedge it with the 9,900 put option. So this is what we got for the Nifty. Now I will go for the Bank Nifty. All these trades are being recorded. So here I am going for the Bank Nifty. I am going to calculate the Bank Nifty levels here. 23,975 and it is 24,024 level, this level now. So initial spike it is there. Nifty we have bought into and having a stop loss for the Nifty. If I can say, the stop loss is 9865 level. So and it must be hedged with 9,900 put option. And Bank Nifty, so this is in the first cycle 24,024 level it is there. So I will not be entering to the Bank Nifty now. Rather I will wait for the 24,092 or I will be waiting for 23,931 as per the yesterday's principle what I have told. So same, either I should be waiting for this 24,092 or 23,930 level. So this is for the Bank Nifty. So this is because timing of those trades also very important. So here the time we have done the analysis, that is we got, this is the result. So I'll be waiting for 24,092 level or I'll be waiting for the downtrend level 23,931. So let whatever is coming, I will be, if I am buying here I will be hedging it with the 24,100 put. If I am selling here I will be hedging with 24,000 call. So that is a part I can do. So these two things I have taken. Now I will be moving to some of the equity counters. So we will just move to the equity counters. We'll just move to the equity counters here, and equity counters here, and equity, Bank Nifty moving up. So Axis Bank, Davis Lab, Oro Pharma, all things I have. Infosys. So Infosys showing some actions. Let us see on the Infosys. Infi. So yesterday also we have seen Infosys. Let us see Infosys and calculate. So this is for the Infosys we are coming. So now currently Infosys 996, 996. I need to wait. I need to wait. So 1005 above I will be buying 4.65. And this will be, if I am buying at 1005, my stop loss will be 995. And my targets for the second cycle will be 1007, 1008, 1009 and 11. This is the place where trend reversal may happen. And if I am buying here for the equity, and if my 500, 600 shares I am buying, then I must hedge it. If I'm buying smaller lot, no need to hedge. So just go with the stop loss. So this is what for the Infosys we have seen. So it has gone for 1004.8 and from there back. So we'll be seeing that. So Sun Pharma, yesterday also we have seen, today also we'll see that. So in few we have seen Sun Pharma, will be seeing all for equity. Sun Pharma equity. So today I am conducting all those experiments quickly so that you can have a record. So Sun Pharma, we have done it. So 580 above uptrend, 578 below the downtrend, 78.3. Think of selling and think of selling Sun Pharma with a stop loss of 581, you can say, round it to 581. 78 level you can sell. So 75 level you can expect. All are equity trades we are doing. So all are equity. If you are going for a second cycle, then the first cycle's cluster will be your stop loss. So if you are buying Sun Pharma at 587, then 583 will be your stop loss. If you are selling Sun Pharma at 571, then the cluster will be 575 will be a stop loss. So this is how clusters work. So Sun Pharma we have seen, Infosys we have seen for Nifty, we have seen for the Bank Nifty. These four counters we have seen. Some of the counters can you see for the stock future also. Stock future also very active counter, Oro Pharma, very active counter. You can say TCS also. ICICI Bank also is a very active counter. So let me go for some of the stock futures. So future stock, and I'll also show you specific things for stock scanning. That also you will be seeing today. Buying this ICICI future, I am telling you to buy a put option. 305 you are buying. You will not be buying now. If you are buying the future, you should buy a call option. Buy a put option or sell a call option. So this is the simple technique of hedging. One more good technique is there. Many of you, anyone has heard about the conversion strategy? Conversion strategy. Does anyone has heard about the conversion strategy? Right. Conversion strategy means you will be selling a call option and put option of the same strike. Same time you will be buying a future or selling a future. So if now little bit of technicality will add in that. Suppose ICICI Bank gives a uptrend at 305. 305 uptrend it has given. So I will be buying the future. Buy the future. And I'll sell on 305 call sell if uptrend breakout gives, and also I'll sell a 305 put sell. Provided this uptrend, you have to see the trend very carefully, or else this strategy will yield great loss. In this case, so what happens once you are initiating the conversion strategy, you should book the profit very quickly. That is also another factor of the strategy. Once you do that, and ICICI Bank just achieved the 580 or 620 like that, this range it has come 0.67 to 0.786. Just book the profit and come out. Just book the profit and come out. Similar way, once it is giving a downtrend breakout 300, sell the ICICI Bank, sell 300 call and 300 put both, and book the profit once it comes to 298 level, 298.96 or 299 level. Once it comes, book the profit. So this is to take that. However, if you are TCS, if you are buying, it is currently in the 0.382 to 0.236 level. Good opportunity to purchase. Buy it. Try to sell a call option above 2450. So that is also a good strategy. And 2405 is your stop loss. So if you are a regular visitor of our website, just go to the home page, click here, stocks in uptrend. How many stocks have given uptrend breakout? How many stocks have given the downtrend 930 to 945? This time we are updating that. So how many have given a gap up? Means uptrend breakout also. These are, yeah, how many gap down? How many stocks has not given any of this thing? So these are the things you can get if you are using our one standard deviation software. So I'll just show you the mobile app also. So where you can, if you are using our mobile app, it is little more clear views you get. So you can just, so this is the app. This is the app, and all of you will be having this. So stock scanner facility is there. So just go for the expiry, and for intraday, you select the intraday, load the data. So once you get these things, stocks in uptrend, stocks in downtrend. So analyze. So here stocks in uptrend, 8 stocks, and what are those stocks? You can get those list of the stocks, give their targets. So where to buy and where to sell these stocks. So this is for the first cycle. You can, we are a little late, so that's why we are getting it. 5 minutes after, you can just miss. Stocks in downtrend. So website, it is little late. However, in app you can get real time. Stocks in downtrend. So these are the stocks in the downtrend. If you are using the app, you can, it filters the stock and you can see those stocks level. So stocks, so you have to just hit in the reanalyze button and go through this thing. And app also, we have added one more fantastic feature for option scanners. Option scanner. This is also a very good feature we have added in the app. So here you can scan the options which will be, so I have selected all, I want the call options. So I want the call options which is greater than the last traded price. So yes, this is a trial edition I have here. So if you are encountering any such things, you can also report to that our tech team, so they can solve it. So here is the next feature I have taken. I'll be loading the data. So once the data is loaded, I want call options and I want calls to buy in the uptrend. So this is the call strikes I can purchase in the uptrend. If the, and there where I should buy, what will be there, what is the current premium where I should buy, and what will be their next premiums at different targets you can also get, and calls to sell in the downtrend. So this also you can get. These are the calls which strike I can sell in the downtrend. So similar way, lot of features are being given here. Say put options you selected, and you have selected puts to sell in the uptrend, puts to buy in the downtrend. Which strike you have to and puts above this thing. There is condition also we have given. So greater than equal to last traded price or less than equal to, or no condition I am following. So here So here also strikes between buy entry and targets, strikes between sell entry and targets, best weekly put to sell in uptrend, best weekly put to buy in downtrend. So these are the features also we have given. So best for weekly trends, once Friday you can identify that, Monday you can take action on based on that. Similar way, if you select a call option, that too also no condition I'm giving, I'm just going to best weekly call option to buy, best call option to sell in the downtrend. So strikes between these things. So it filters the strikes and it gives you a great freedom to choose a strike in the shortest possible time. So this also you can do. So this also you can do along with this thing. So let me go back to the trading. So what we have achieved. So TCS, excellent. It is 2437 now. Excellent success we got here. So we have sold into some of the call options. 22 we have sold here. 28 level we have entered. So 10 rupees we are making and 2 rupees we are 2 to 3 rupees we are losing. 7 rupees net gain is coming on the TCS. TCS 7 rupees net gains. TCS future is giving us. Sun Pharma we have sold into and we are waiting for the target. Someone has told that it is just hit the first target and coming back. Infi, we have not got the entry so far. ICICI 305 we are waiting and 300 also we are waiting. So this is for the stock future and equity. Index future, what happened? Let me see. So here 90 level 24,091 level we are waiting. We have not got it. Nifty we have bought into. Nifty, so Nifty we have bought into. So so Nifty we have bought into 895 to 901. This is the level of our trend reversal. So 895 to 901. So couple of targets we have achieved in the Nifty. Back Nifty we are waiting for. TCS we got some targets achieved. TCS future. Equity we have taken for the studies. Infosys and Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma we sold into. We have not achieved the target. However, the Sun Pharma, the targets we have not achieved. Infosys we have not got an entry. TCS we got some amount of success here. 35, 36 it is trading. 44 also in between it has touched. So we sold it the call option and this thing we are making good profit there. ICICI Bank we are waiting for. So this is for the trades what we have initiated. And as far as the weekly trend is concerned, so Nifty what we have entered yesterday 9925 level. So that has hit the stop loss. So we need to reanalyze that what is the amount of losses is coming, and based on that we need to take a call. So Bank Nifty given a chance. Bank Nifty given a chance for intraday buy. So hedge it and take second cycle. Second cycle Bank Nifty given. So this is the very critical zone 24,144 level. Now the stop loss for this trade will be 24,019 and hedge it and take a call. So Bank Nifty also given weekly buy, weekly level also we can purchase this thing. Hedge it 24,093 level we have told it. So buy it along with 24,100 put for intraday. For intraday 24,019 will be a stop loss. Bank Nifty. But hedge it. Do not take any trade without hedging. Hedge it and take it. So this is what we have. This is what we have seen it. Can you see one pair trade? One pair trade I am going to show you. So I am going for index future. Bank Nifty I am taking. I am taking for, or I can take Nifty. Why Bank Nifty? I'll take Nifty. I'll take TCS. Bank Nifty, let me take. Some people are saying that why not Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty will take it. No problem in that. I'll take ICICI. So Bank Nifty. Here I am taking ICICI Bank. I am taking SBI. SBI. Load data. So once the data loaded, calculation also started. Bank Nifty 9.7% volatility, ICICI Bank and SBI 32% and 19% respectively. These are their studies: beta alpha Sharpe ratio, Jensen's ratio, Trenner ratio, correlations, and net beta decoupling. So these things, theories already available in our studies. Let me move to the trading part. Here it says that buying. So all this relationship it is telling: Bank Nifty 0 buy 4 sell, ICICI 4 buy 0 sell. Perfect opportunity. Buy ICICI Bank, range between 303 to future. This is future. So range between to this. Perfectly it is in the range. Hedge on a put option of strike or equal to 298. So 298 we do not have. We can think of 300 strike. Sell Bank Nifty between this. So perfect opportunity, and hedge it with a call option equal to strike 24,219. Record this trade. Record this trade. So this is the trade. Record it. So this is the positional, minimum 3 days, maximum 10 days. So record this pair trade. This is the thing is being given. I'm just recording this trade. You can see for some other pair also. Such a comprehensive analysis we are giving. What you should do? Exit when you should exit, or so these are the price point for the exiting the things. If it is 299 below, or Bank Nifty means fall below this 23,950 level, you can think of this thing. They record that trade. So here too, buying 3, selling 1, buying 1, selling 3. It is telling buy Bank Nifty between this range and sell SBI. So this also you can record this trade, SBI and Bank Nifty. This also I am recording this trade. These are the perfect opportunity given today. Today on 18th, this is the thing given. So record this trade. So record this trade, minimum 3 days, maximum 10 days. Let us see by Friday what it gives. So this is also one of the second fair trade things we can get. And we will be exiting same level. ICICI and SBI. So ICICI 5 buys, SBI 5 sells. This is also a great trade. So you can think of this one also. ICICI buying and SBI selling. 3 fantastic opportunity you are getting. We got very rarely this kind of situation used to come, and where all 3 pairs is being granted for the positional trade. You can think of intraday trade also in this. It uses lot of factors. To understand this factor, you need to learn the theory. I am not talking about theory. So intraday trade recommended with options trade. This is beta decoupling, doesn't recommend. So intraday chances are not there. Positional, all 3 pairs having the fantastic opportunity. Here out of 5 analysis, this is best pair. 5 studies saying to buy ICICI Bank, sell SBI. Here 5 studies are telling to buy ICICI, sell Bank Nifty. Here 4 studies are telling to buy Bank Nifty and sell SBI. So this is the thing we are being given, and appropriate strike of options near to that particular level we can choose it. So all 3 trades I am recording along with that appropriate option. I'll just prepare a Excel and keep it for you, so that till Friday we are going to analyze this. Nifty, we got a great success. Bank Nifty just made 24,122. 24,122. Come back to my studies. 24,122. This is the level I told. First target. Here you should get a reversal 28 to 40. You got it. 22 it has made, and from there it is reversing. No stop loss triggering. Wait for the next targets. So this is what the performance of your Bank Nifty today. Given a back uptrend, Nifty achieved the target, great success. TCS achieved the target and then retroces back. Infosys, we have not got a chance. Sun Pharma, we have sold into. However, stop loss has not hit, targets has not achieved. In the equity, we have taken Sun Pharma and Infi. Infi, we have not got a chance. Sun Pharma, we got a chance to sell, did achieve the target. TCS stock future, we entered, got a target. ICICI Bank, we are waiting. 305 above, we'll be buying for intraday, or we'll be selling below 300. That situation also has not come. Coming back to the index future, Nifty, we achieved target. Bank Nifty, we are waiting for the target to come. We entered into Nifty. So Nifty, good target we have achieved here. So 901, 905 level we have expected, and 905.2. Just see the trend reversal points. This will sometime make you, what is the power of one standard deviation and the real-time volatility you can realize from this. Where it has reversed. 9905, what you have calculated. So this calculation well in advance in front of you it has happened. 905.08. So this, it is just not a mere calculation. Look into this calculation, you will realize that how authentic this calculations are. Why it is not reversed from any other price point? Why that 9905? Why that 24,122? 3 to 4 points of lag from there reversal. So these are the price points what you have calculated as per real-time volatility. It is having the proper authenticity behind it. That's why we have calculated.
We are glad to have you in our 5 days event. In fact, there are two important unique features if you all could have thought of it. Number one is Smart Finances moved extra miles to give you the support. We have responded in an extraordinary way to fulfill the demand of free trial of the people. People ask for the free trial as a tips, SMS, all that, advices, all that. But in addition to that, this is a different way of service where Mr. Ranjan himself, who is the innovator of all this technique, is availing himself in front of you, is explaining the concepts and then giving the recommendations. This is number one unique feature of this event. Then number two, one important feature you might have recognized also. Whatever recommendation he gives, it doesn't come automatically just a simple recommendation. It comes with a prior analysis. There is a farm analysis backing every recommendation of Mr. Ranjan. Yesterday you have experienced, today also you are experiencing. So if you wish to go through his detailed products, as we have total 12 varieties of products in our domain, as you can see, each of these products have got these unique features of proper analysis behind the recommendation or trading strategy. So these concepts of Mr. Ranjan we have programmed into the form of software, and these come in the form of DVDs and books where the theoretical explanation, mathematical derivations are given in detail. Total number of 12 products including future, options, equity, commodity. You can see WD GAN course, technical analysis course, all this. These are not the traditional concepts explained in terms of theory, but it is explained from the practical point of view, the way you are experiencing his teaching from last 2 days. It will go for another couple of days as you all have enrolled, and you are the fortunate few people among those thousands of registrants in our website who have got eligibility to participate in this event. So feel free to take advantage of most of his teachings. If you wish to get something beyond this, then you can subscribe to our paid products. Our full package of this 12 range of products comes at a discount of 65%. which costs you 17,500 rupees, where you get total all our 16 DVDs, 6 printed books, and all the softwares, including option strategy, 1SD, volatility, GAN, all 9 softwares. Everything will come in that. So if you wish to purchase, you can purchase it online. In our website, we have the payment gateway available. Otherwise, you can take our bank detail also. It is available. So there you can, this is the place where you can get the banking information. So you can do the transaction with our bank directly also. If you have any product related query, please put in the chat box.
This particular course, 14 hours course. Spend as much as time, do some paperwork. What I have spoken there, do some paperwork. You yourself can able to make the strategy, zero loss strategy of your own. You cannot depend on anyone. And this is try to form net credit strategy, net debit strategy, anything. You can very well form these things. The thing is where we are lacking. We want to see Nifty we have achieved, Bank Nifty we are achieving the success. TCS we got the success, then after it has moved down. Infi we didn't enter. Sun Pharma, in fact, we have triggered the stop loss as per the studies. Equity segment. ICICI Bank, we have not got a chance. You have a freedom to use the software. You can initiate more and more experiments and share your experience. Share your experience. Share your experience in our Facebook and Twitter so that others should know that yes, you have been given this opportunity and how you have utilized it. So with this, I will be ending today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you for this, your time.